Hi guys, it's Art, Foreign MRE, and today I've got a U.S. military Halal Jalfrazi with lamb. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have inside. Here we have the main Jalfrazi with lamb. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Banana caramel pudding, 4.5 ounces. Apple turnover shelf stable. Cajun mix. Nut and raisin trail mix. A lemon lime flavored no fruit juice. Flameless ration heater. And then the accessory pack. 2 packs of sugar. Package of salt and pepper. Wet nap. Book of matches. White tip. Napkins, toilet paper, whatever you want to use it for. Big napkin. And a military spork. As everybody knows, we don't use this. Oh, crap. I'll be right back. First thing I want to do is get the main going. Okay, I'm back. Man, I always have a hard time getting these mains in these ration heaters. If you have the same problem, let me know in the comments. Maybe there's an easier way, but I don't know. Let's see, let's go ahead and get the Okay, let's see how that works. Let me just set this to the side for now. We'll keep an eye on it. Now let's open up the nut raisin trail mix. Let's open the apple turnover. Check it out. Pretty good. Wow. Let's open up the Cajun mix. And we'll get the lemon flavored drink going. Haha, no mess so far. And we'll give it a stir with the ForeignMRE.com spork. Give this a quick mixing. Let's open up the banana caramel pudding. Sounds really good. It's got a tear notch to open it this way, but we're going to be different. Figure out where I can put this. I know what you're thinking about this, and I'm not even going there. But on another note, the ration heater's working, so we give it a few minutes, let it heat up. I think I'm going to go ahead and set this apple turnover right here and warm it up too. I spared you my agony of getting the main out, and man, that flameless ration heater did an excellent job. The main was so hot I could hardly get it out. It is out, and here it is. And it smells absolutely wonderful. So let's try it. And that tastes really good. Had a piece of lamb in it, piece of potato. You can taste the bell peppers, the onions, carrot, tomato paste. Tastes like there's some jalapenos in there. But as you can see, it is a little bit greasy. And I think lamb is a little bit greasy. So let's try some pepper on this. I think some Tabasco sauce would really be good on this. There we go. Tastes really good. The lamb's a little bit chewy, and I'm not sure, I don't eat a lot of lamb. Matter of fact, I've only eaten lamb a couple times. If lamb is a chewy meat, let me know in the comments, because this one's definitely a little chewy. So let's try the Cajun mix. Cajun mix is great. Has some peanuts in it, pretzels, Cajun seasoning. Man, wow, great. Okay, let's try the lemon lime drink. The lemon lime drink tastes kind of like Gatorade. So let's try some of the fruit and nut mix. Let's see if we can see what's in there. There you go. So the fruit and nut mix is really good. It has some raisins, surprisingly some walnuts, some almonds, M&Ms, raisins. Excellent. So let's try the apple turnover. I remember I warmed it up a little bit. The apple turnover tastes really good, but as you can see, there's not a lot of the filling in there. So let's try the caramel banana pudding. Wow. And that is excellent. And it tastes exactly like the title says, caramel banana pudding. So let me rate this Jalfrazi with lamb. I give it about an 8. It's a little bit greasy, as you can see. Now the Cajun mix, it's a 10. Wow, this caramel, however you say it, banana pudding, it's a 10. Trail mix, man, trail mix, I can't believe it has some of these almonds in there, walnuts. It's great. It's excellent. The apple turnover, I give it probably about a 7. Not a lot of filling in there. And then the lemon lime drink, I give it a 10. So would I try this ration again? I would. Would I recommend this ration? I certainly would. Excellent ration. That's going to be it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, dislike, leave a comment. All helps the channel grow. And I'll see you on the next one.